In this video, I will be showing you the immediate Chantix review 2024. The website that I'm using to get the review is coininsider.com, and here is the score rating. So the immediate Chantix got 94 out of 100 score rating in the legit or scam test by the coininsider.com. Here you can see that the sign up process and getting started is rated 4.9 star out of 5. Deposits and withdrawal method has been rated 4.7 by 5, and way to trade and assets it has been rated 4.6 by 5. Security and regulation 4.6, and the customer support is 4.9. So what they are providing is high quality market signal feeds for altcoin and exotic crypto pairs. Trade and operators are available 24/7, so requires a slight delay in the posting by the admin. So how did they review it? So the evaluation metrics is platform usability, knowledge base, user sentiment. The assessment framework goes like the number 1 is initial appraisal, number 2 is a source evaluation, number 3 is credibility check, number 4 is technical scrutiny. So after passing through all of these criteria, this is the score rating for you guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.